All right, let's talk about BBIG here, Vinco Ventures. Now, starting this week here, we've had nothing but pretty much a downward spiral into massive sell-off here with Vinco. Monday morning, Vinco started around that high $10 mark, and then from there, people were like, you know what? I think I'm gonna go home, guys. We just started falling down into this $9 pit that we seem to find ourselves in, but there's not much that could happen because pretty much a lot of the market in general has been falling apart here since Monday, and Vinco is not safe from that either, as we are seeing mass sell-off right now, falling down even to a high $7 bid price with it, and now we're trailing around this low $8 range here. And a lot of our big volume has just left. It's not here right now with Vinco. Monday we had around 84 million in volume. Tuesday we had around 52 million in volume, and then Wednesday we had around 70 million in volume, and today we're having a little bit more volume, right around 75 million, 0.20 in volume, but still not enough to really do anything crazy with walking up here back into a $10 mark. Now, what can we expect here with Vinco? We are waiting for some things to happen. Now, friends, if you have been watching my videos on this company, I am very bullish on them. I find this company very interesting with what they're doing, with who they're speaking to as investors. Not only that, but customer base as well. They're doing something that you're not really seeing here with a lot of companies right now. This is a very new thing that they're getting themselves into here, and this could go south or this could go very high into the sky with the price range. And I've always been a firm believer, if you want to get anywhere in the stock market, you're gonna have to swing big at some point. So today, September 15th, this is the day that was a big day. This is the ex-dividend date for when shareholders will need to own a BBIG shares in order to receive shares of Vinco's spin-off company called Cryptid. I think that's right. Correct me if I'm wrong. Have no problem with that, please. The new spin-off is a blockchain-based acquisition company that will look into acquiring new blockchain-based technology firms. Vinco Ventures is looking into taking public as well, and it is expected to debut under the ticker symbol TYDE whenever it does go public. BBIG shareholders will receive shares of TYDE in the form of a dividend. So just to simplify that a little bit more, this is the spin-off company that's going to trade under the symbol TYDE and own the NFT. So that is what is happening with this company. So this is why this is so interesting. You're not seeing a lot of other companies that are going to be getting themselves involved in the NFT market, the crypto market, and at the same time being a company that is a digital market company and is trying to find companies to market with and the streaming company as well. So there's a lot of things going on here, a lot of things. Some might say it's too big of a broad idea with what they're doing, but personally I don't, because like I have said in many videos before, so I don't want to sound like a broken record here, but what I like about Vinco here, and we're still calling it Vinco here, I like that they are talking to a new generation of people. I like that they are talking to a new generation of investors, because friends, whether you are a new dog in the game of investing or you are an old dog with your old tricks here, you have to accept that this NFT market situation that we're seeing is getting stronger, it is getting bigger, it's getting broader, it's changing every day. And not only that, but the crypto market, crypto in general, is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. The next 5-10 years, I think, is going to be one of the biggest trillion-dollar situations that we have ever seen with anything besides the stock market man-made. With crypto in general, it is going to boom, it is going to pop, it is not going anywhere, it's just going to continue to grow and get stronger. So why would I not want to invest in a company that is going to try and move and invest in that and make that the bread and butter of what they do? We're in this to make money at the end of the day. I invest in Vinco for the long range outlook of what this company is doing. I'm not expecting Vinco to make me a millionaire overnight. I'm expecting the next 5 years of Vinco, as long as they do what they say they're going to do, because I believe them as a company. I expect there to be deep wells with this company. I expect it to keep producing a lot of gold here. I expect that with it because what they're doing here. So I just want to make that clear, because I have so many people ask me why I'm investing in this company, or I think about this company. This is why, because me as an investor, I am looking for new big outlooks, companies that are looking into the future. Would you rather invest in a company that's making vacuums, or would you rather invest in a company that's making robots? I think it's a pretty easy question to answer. No doubt it's going to have some risk involved with it, but most of the time in the stock market, where there's risk, there is reward, as long as you have patience to stay in that. Now, with what BBIG is going to do here, what Vinco is going to do here as a stock itself, with me saying everything I said, obviously I am very deep in the Vinco. I'm very bullish on it. I believe in it. But here's what I want to say. Do believe this stock is probably going to take a little more of a hit if the stock market continues to have this little bit of a downtrend here. And especially as we're getting into this merger, things are changing here. A little bit of the hype's gone. We could definitely see it go back down to a $6 to $7 mark. As more news comes out with what this company is doing, don't be surprised to see this thing trail up again very soon. I do not believe this is going to be a company that's going to go in the dark. I don't believe this is going to be something that's going to, just disappear overnight. We could definitely see a run down here in the stock. But if this company is going to continue to do what they say they're going to do, I am very curious to see what their quarterly is going to look like, what their outcome is going to be for the next coming year, what they're planning on doing. And when this company does merge, there's going to be a lot of news. And guess what? What do you think is going to happen? This thing is probably going to spike right back up into a high range here. So friends, the obvious thing everyone is asking me, what do I think Vinco is going to stay at price-wise? Like I said, I definitely think this could trail back down a little bit more. But honestly, from a $6 to an $8 range, I really think that could be our ballpark right here with Vinco for a while. And of course, we're going to have our $10 days, maybe even busting into almost $11 range. But until we hear more about this merger, we see more from this merger, we see more about what Vinco is actually doing as a company until they merge into this new one, we're going to be waiting here a little bit to see what's actually happened with the nuts and bolts of this company. I love what they're doing. I'm very bullish on this. And when I set my mind to a company and I believe in them, I am ride or die. I will go down into the waters with them, or I will go up in the sky and fly over the mountains into the gold green pastures. I will do it. Sorry, I'm getting a little theatrical now, but you get what I'm trying to say here. And one more thing that I find very interesting right now, the Vinco. If you look up Vinco and you read the majority of articles, even articles in these top analysts, they are very bullish on Vinco. Of course, they give their whole spew about why they're bullish, and then they give their split sword there down the middle, but this X could happen. Of course, you have to look at everything. But the majority of people and investors, everyone, and that's almost the scary part to me, is that so many people are very bullish on this company if you actually are looking and understand what this company is doing. Because I think there's a lot of people that they don't even understand what the future is holding with the NFT market, with the crypto market, what this company is getting themselves involved into. I don't know that people are fully understanding, and it's okay, but this is a very, very unique situation you're looking at here with what Vinco is doing. So friends, with all that said, listen, I really do mean it. I want to wish all of you the best of luck in the stock market, and guys, like anything else in the stock market, we're going to have patience here. We're just going to have patience. This is the name of the game. This is what we have to do. But thank you all. I really do appreciate all of you. I enjoy talking to you. I enjoy seeing all of you guys. And we're going to keep covering Vinco here into its merge, into its future, whatever it's going to be doing here. We're going to talk about it because I love what this company is doing. We're going to talk about the great days, and we're going to talk about the rough days. So friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in your future. It is so flippin' important. Go bananas with it. So friends, I will talk to you very soon. Bye, friends.